President Samoei Ruto, CGH, the President of the Republic of Kenya, and the Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces. Dr. Francis Atwoli, Secretary General of KOTU, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, the Prime Cabinet Minister, Honorable Dr. Alfred Mutua, EGH, the Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Labor and Social Protection, all senior government officials present. Your Excellency, before I proceed, I will request you and the whole congregation to stand up, maana tulipoteza jana Mheshimiwa Charles Ong'ondo Were, MB Kasipul. Yeye alikuwa ni champion ya wafanyakazi. It's unfortunate jana aliaka. Kwa hiyo Your Excellency, kwa heshima hiyo, na najua alikuwa anasaidia serikali yako na kusaidia wafanyakazi pia, ningeomba heshima hiyo tusimame kwa dakika moja. Your Excellency. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. We can sit down. Your Excellency,